Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're here, Benalmádena, and we have a little walk around the marina. It's just started raining, and so you've got the Mexican here. It's just started raining, so let me try and sort out that light there for you guys. Yeah, it's a lot better. Right, so we have a little walk around the marina, see what's new. Yeah, I have to go back out into the rain. I didn't want to go back into the rain. Maybe we go through there. Let's go in the rain. So you got Metro here. No one's in Metro, it's raining. Obviously everyone's inside Metro on the right instead. But yeah, luckily we're waterproof, eh? We are waterproof. If you not notice, just skin, just the rain just falls straight off it. But yeah, imagine staying over there. I've never actually looked into a place over there for a holiday. It'd be quite cool though, wouldn't it? So you've got stuff upstairs there. Let's get under cover there, let's get under cover. Don't want to catch a cold before we get to Valencia. So yeah. Plenty of shops still open. Yeah. Cotton concept. For me, like clothes shopping, you've got to do it in Turkey. If you're not clothes shopping in Turkey and you've never been, get to Turkey. Especially Ishmala. It's one of my favourite places for clothes. And if you're going to Antalya and you're going to Alanya, get yourself to Havana Boutique. Get yourself to Havana Boutique and you will find the best clothes for the cheapest prices. I'm telling you, the guys are amazing out in Turkey. They love the camera. They love to promote their businesses. And we love to film it also. It's one of our favourite places to go filming. But yeah. Koala Bay. It's quite a... What is this here? There's like a big... We'll see what it is in a second, but you can see on the left there, whatever that is there. What is that? Normally a little bit more busy around here, but I think it's coming up for like 7 or something, maybe 7:30. So maybe it's a bit quiet at the moment. So yeah, all the boats, lovely. Scaffolding. They're building something extra here then. That'd be quite cool, wouldn't it? Yeah. I'm not going to stop for too long, but you've got the olive. You can zoom in for them prices. And you've got all the cocktails here, look at that. Yeah, la tasca.
Well, welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you, man. Cheers, buddy.
And you've got this one here. Again, if you want to see it, pause it, have a look. Right, let's have a quick look over here. Whilst we're in the shade from the rain. I think this is it for Benalmádena for me. It has this part. If you can write it in the comments and tell me what else it has, so then I can know, because you know there's my favourite Indian. I can't go to it tonight because I've just had a little bit of munch just a minute ago. Again, some more prices. If you want to pause. Oh, is it even focusing? It's not even focusing. Ah, it said focus lock. There you go, guys. So yeah, if you want to pause, and then you can Why is it on focus lock? There we go. I don't know why it's on focus lock, but yeah, guys, if you want to some people a bit moody, aren't they? Bit moody. It's a shame, isn't it? But yeah, let's get round this corner, get out of this rain. We've got the Sea Life Benalmádena there, and then yeah, I don't know if I can go up. I think I can go up here. Let's go. Oh no, I can't. I've got to go down to go up. But yeah, so there's the moody lady over there. What we do, we walk round here quickly, show you what's going on around here. And then I need to go down the promenade, but it's just going to be raining all the way down. So, might have to quickly check the phone, see what's what the weather's saying. Maybe I'll go to Molly's. So, I'll quickly walk around the bottom. I think I'm going to go up the top. I've got Island. Maybe I've got the top. Maybe I've got the top. Because I don't think there's much on that side. Let's have a quick look. So you got, what's that, Prison Island? Laser tag. It'd be quite cool, wouldn't it? I don't know if so you got Prison Island. We'll have a quick walk over there in a second. But yeah, I don't know what's happened to all the cannabis shops in Spain. I have no idea. But I don't see them promoting themselves so much anymore. Maybe they've all closed down like a Tenerife. No idea. It's closed up there. Is this actually a bar? That's a kid's film. Anyway, Prison Island and laser tag. So yeah, that'd be quite cool, wouldn't it? I've never done laser tag before. It was quite cool. Let's quickly see what's down here. So yeah, see I'm underneath, so happy to quickly walk out. It's soaking wet there. Look at that floor. Look at that. Look, I do a little fancy picture. Look. Ooh. Fancy. Right. Well, let's end this one here then. So guys, thank you for watching. It's Gwan Tours. If you can like, subscribe, share the video to your family and friends. This is Benalmádena and this is the Marina. And yeah, wait till the next video.